Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph and they want to do this right here, but they couldn't figure out how to put an outline and how to really, it's a transparency because you want to be able to see the sand and the water and the sky. So I just went on the internet and got a Hawaiian island. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline, Trace, Clip Art. You don't have to do anything special because there's no inner parts. I'm just going to say okay. So there's our island. So let's move this out of the way for a second. Let's hit P and put that in the center of the page. And see, we got to go to Object, Order, Front of Page. And then let's put this in the center of the page and move it down. And then kind of take both these and group them together. And then kind of put them where you want them. I think I put the big island like right at the water line. And you could maybe make it a little bit bigger. Say I held down the control button and it took away. So let's say that's good. So what we're going to do first, we're going to go to intersect. And what that did, that gave us this part right here. But now we're going to go to trim. And what that did, that cut out the island. Now, the problem they're having, I think, let me move this back up, is they want to put an outline to make it kind of stand out. You can't just put an outline around this. But if you go to Object, Group, and ungroup it all, you could put a boundary around